They'll be like, keep posting, keep showing up, just post it, just do it. Yeah, that's true, but it gets to affect you in the long run. Let me tell you something. Stop posting until you watch this video from beginning till the end, especially if you've been getting low views, low subscribers, low engagement. This video is really for you. I'll be sharing with you the best way to upload your videos on YouTube, the best way you can upload your videos on YouTube. So, before we get started, please, if you're generous enough, you can hit the subscribe button. Yeah, if you're kind enough, you can click the like button. And if you're someone that like to help, you can share it to other people to also see this video. Thanks for doing that. So let's get started. A lot of YouTubers are using their mobile phones to post their content on YouTube. Yeah, lots of people are using their mobile phones to edit and post their content on YouTube. This is right. But if you're using the YouTube app, as a YouTube application to post your content on YouTube, then you're doing wrong. Honestly, you're doing it wrong. The best way to post content on YouTube is by using the YouTube Studio. Use the YouTube Studio. That's from your browser. Use your YouTube Studio from your browser. Just go to studio.youtube.com. A lot of people have been doing this mistake of posting with their YouTube application, and it feels like when you start posting, probably you start posting, you start getting small views, and you feel like you're going out to the beach, you're enjoying in the beach, you're receiving fresh air, you get to be happy. But in the long run, you see that your posts will tend to stagnant at a certain range of number. It doesn't go anywhere because you're not optimizing your title, you're not optimizing your thumbnails, you're not optimizing your tags. Nothing is being optimized. Your description is just there, your hashtags and all of that. So you're just getting it wrong. So the best way to post your video is by using your YouTube Studio with your browser. It's either your Chrome browser, your Opera Mini browser. If you're using an Android phone or an Apple phone, use your browser, use it on the desktop mode. This is an example how you can turn it to your desktop mode to be able to access some features. If you're using the normal way, you won't be able to access some features. But if you use it on the desktop mode, you'll be able to access other features as if you're using a desktop or your system, your laptop to post that video. So today I've decided to share this with you for free. Honestly, I've decided to share this with you for free. I got to meet with a mentor, yeah, a tutor who helped me out in this situation. Yeah, and since then, at least I've seen a little bit of growth on some of my videos. It's really changing some of my videos. To create engagement on this video, please kindly go to the comment section. You can type there connect. Let's connect. This is just a short one. When you type connect on the comment section, choose 3 to 4 people. Go to their channel. Don't just subscribe without engaging in their channel. Choose 3 to 4 people. Go to their channel. Watch either a short or a long form video, which one you want to, and then click the subscribe button. Let's just connect with 4 people each. Choose any 4 people from the comment section, connect with them, subscribe to their channel, engage. You can decide to drop a comment, like the video you just watched. So let's just build that community. Let's just connect together. Thank you. Let me tell you this. Do you know that changing your file name, the video file name, to the title of your video is very, how should I put it? It's something you should do. It's something you shouldn't get away with. Changing the file name of your video to the title of your video is something you should do. So, if you're using your YouTube Studio to upload your video, it will get to show you your file name. Yes, get to show you your file name. You will be able to optimize your thumbnail. Make sure that your thumbnail also goes in the same line with your file name, goes in the same line with your title, goes with the same line with your description. So you must make sure that you optimize these four things: your file name, your thumbnail, your description, and your title. So these four things: file name, thumbnail, description, and your title. So when we talk about optimizing this, optimizing it, it's just a way of using some keywords that matches. You see a keyword, probably your topic is on how to grow on YouTube. So on your thumbnail, if someone should see your thumbnail, the person might see how to grow on YouTube on your thumbnail. Your title is how to grow on YouTube. Your description, you also explain on how to grow on YouTube. The first sentence should include how to go on YouTube. Then your file name as well should also contain how to grow on YouTube. Then another thing is your tags, your video tags. Your video tags must be on how to grow on YouTube, how beginners can grow on YouTube. I'm just giving you small hints. Depends on your niche. What I'm talking about now is on online growth niche, because I'm doing online growth. I'm doing on how to make money on YouTube. That's my niche. So depends on your niche. If you're doing a vlog, if you are in a vlog niche, you can decide to, your task can be vlogging, how to vlog with so camera, the best camera to use for vlogging, and just use those tags for your video tags. Then another thing that is of importance when using your YouTube studio on your browser, YouTube studio site on your browser, to upload your video, is that it will help you to select the niche on which that video is in. Most people don't know this. If you are doing YouTube growth, if you are doing, sometimes vlogging is also included, like cooking is also included. You have to choose how to. If you are doing education, like you are teaching on a particular stuff, you are doing tutorials on a particular subject, like education wise, probably mathematics, you're teaching English, you can choose the entertainment, the entertain sorry you can choose the education. If you're doing comedy skits, music videos, dance, you can choose the entertainment. If you are doing drawing, how to decorate a house, how to do this craft, you choose the craft. We have some lineup of niches that you've seen here. These are lineup of niches that you can use. But if for the main fact, what I'm doing, which is YouTube growth and online, making money online, I do use how to and style. So I'm falling under how to and style. Most people don't know how to use these segments. Honestly, these segments really matters, because it will help YouTube to know which of the segments you fall into and know the right people to choose, that YouTube will choose to push this video to. Know the right people to choose. Sorry, it will know the right people to push this video to. So this is very important. It's another important part that you should do. Remember, your title must coincide with your thumbnail, with your file name, and your description. Those four things. Then your tags, your video tags. I'm not talking about the hashtag. Your video tags must also go in line with what you're posting. Then remember to also select the niche on which that video falls into. These are the key things you do while uploading your videos. Adding cards or end screens or any of that to your videos, for me, I do choose the subscribe and the playlist for my video. Or most times, if I have two vital videos, I will choose the two video aspect of it to use for my end screen, so I can put up one video here and the other video, or one video and playlist. But mostly I do choose playlist, because while choosing playlist, if so, that's the only thing that will pop up on the screen. Someone will choose to click on the playlist, go to watch other of your videos. It really helps a lot. it really helps to grow other videos in your channel. Then the last thing I'm going to talk about is remixing your videos, your own personal videos. You can choose to remix your videos into a short from a particular time to a particular time, probably 30 seconds, 1 minute. You can choose to remix that your video into a short. You know that on a normal, people watch shorts more than the long form videos. Yes, we tend to have views from shorts more than long form videos. So you get to remix your long form video, get a snippet of it, create a short from it, write something on it, and then post it. You get to see that people that are coming to, probably someone didn't watch the long form video but got to see the short and watched the short. The person would actually watch the short, then under the short you've linked a related video to that short. That means you've linked the main video to that short, the snippet you just posted as short. So after the person have finished watching, it will be like, I'd like to watch the full video of this. Then it will now click on the video name below to watch the full video. So it really helps to boost your views. Honestly, it really helps to boost your views. Really helps to bring engagement to your channel, boost your likes, your views, and all of that. So this is very important. As I told you, it's the number one thing you should do while uploading your video. So if you always wanted to upload your video with your YouTube application, please kindly stop. Don't do that anymore. Use the YouTube Studio to upload your videos. So thanks for watching up to this point. If you've enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe. As I said at the beginning, kindly subscribe, like, share, engage. As I said before, go to the comment section, choose 4 people, watch their videos, subscribe to them. It helps to grow. Let's grow as small YouTubers. Let's grow together. Let's create a better community together. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.